my DPL light therapy joint wrap. I actually got this because I had a shoulder surgery and my left shoulder is totally messed up. So it's supposed to come with a charge right when you open it out the box. It turns on, cool. So before charging this, make sure that it's fully depleted. The battery needs to be fully depleted before you actually start charging it up again. And it takes about 2 to 4 hours to charge, and you'll get 2 to 3 20-minute treatments, which is pretty dope. And it's easy to move around and do whatever I have to do around the studio or wherever I'm at. So keep in mind that the DPL light therapy system is a pain relief joint wrap designed to use on shoulders, elbows, knees, and ankle joints. This is going to accelerate healing and reduce inflammation by using powerful pain relief LED light. It even helps with joint stiffness associated with arthritis and local blood flow, circulation, and all that good stuff that your body needs on a regular basis. I am definitely happy that I have my DPL joint wrap.